everyone's really full of themselves, and the message is basically like get money, get with women, and there's not a lot of like intellect. There's no really positive message. It's just like getting high.
Imagine living the life of your dreams. Imagine living the life of your dreams. Imagine living the life of your dreams. Imagine having the power to shape your own destiny.
I like this. I want to keep listening. I like it a lot.
Imagine being able to let go. Imagine being able to let go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.